Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the Pixel 7 ready. Charge it, insert your SIM, and join Wi-Fi so updates download smoothly. Sign into your Google account now because backups and app sync depend on it. Once done, open Settings and install System Updates. This reduces bugs and improves camera performance. Make sure to enable Find My Device and Backup Preferences. This protects settings and photos. Finally, restart the phone after updates so services initialize correctly and you can proceed with personalized setup. Now you configure daily use. Set a secure screen lock and register your fingerprint for fast unlocking. You can add face unlock, but use it cautiously. Next, personalize the home screen, choose gesture navigation, and enable adaptive battery to extend runtime. These choices shape performance versus convenience. Install core apps from the Play Store and grant permissions only as required. Review location, camera, and microphone access. Once apps are installed, reboot again so background services and permission prompts settle into normal operation. Finish by tuning features you use most. Open camera and set HDR, motion, and night sight as you prefer. This improves photos in varied light. Then configure Google Assistant, enable voice match, and assign shortcuts to the power menu for quick access. Make sure backups are active so data is safe. If something breaks, try clearing an app cache or rebooting, and if problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. That troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.